I taught LangChain and AI agents to 29,000 engineers on Udemy. Then Anthropic shipped one file and I quit teaching the hard way. For 3 years, I taught the complete stack: Python, API keys, LangChain, vector databases, prompt routing, memory chains, the whole thing, 4 hours of video, 2,000 lines of code, 3 Saturdays per skill. Smart people paid me, finished the course, and still felt lost because the stack was the lesson, not what they actually wanted to build. Then October 2025 happened. Anthropic shipped something called Agent Skills. One file, plain text, they called it SKILL.md, and quietly, almost everything I had been teaching, LangChain, vector databases, agent orchestration, became optional. Here is what a skill.md is. 3 lines at the top: name, description, when to use it. Below that, plain English, the same English you would use to tell a coworker what you want done. No Python, no API key, no vector database, just a text file you could write in Notepad. If you can write a post-it note, you can write one. But who does the thinking? Like Claude does, that is the part most teachers skip. Anthropic puts it like this, word for word. If Claude thinks the skill is relevant to the current task, it will load the skill by reading its full skill.md into context. Read that again. Claude thinks. Claude decides. You wrote the instructions. The orchestration is built in. That changed everything for me. The 40-hour course I built, most of it is now a one-page file. The $2,500 a month I earned teaching the complex way, honestly, I do not miss it because I get to teach the simple way now. And the simple way works for everyone. The retiree who wants AI to summarize the family newsletter, the freelancer billing clients for a Friday status report, the teacher building a lesson plan generator, the parent re-entering work who Googled LangChain once and bounced. Not just engineers. This Saturday, I will walk you through the exact skill.md file I would have killed to give my Udemy students 3 years ago free. Inside Agent Skills Academy on School, 75 non-coders are already shipping their first file every weekend. Come learn the simple way. Because the simple way is not the easy way, it is the durable way.